welcome the Dutch delegation sponsored by the Dutch government to our Jebel Ali Factory, our most sustainable factory in the region. And we discussed circular economy solutions across the industry, and we showcased our sustainable solutions that we have had and we have produced over the last couple of years, including our sustainable operations, which included our solar roof, botanical garden of 240 trees, and the recycling process that we do to our sewage.
We were very impressed of the thinking of the company on circular economy, on sustainability, and how to implement that in your practices. I'm looking forward to the collaboration in the next couple of years, and with the government here in the Emirates to see what we can do together to innovate further.